Welcome to NextGen Mansions, where we showcase living spaces that defy imagination, homes that are not just designed, but composed like symphonies of light, space, and beauty. Today we present a single boundless residence where every element of luxury merges seamlessly into one breathtaking hall. Bathed in soft afternoon sunlight, this masterpiece glows in perfect harmony with blush pink tones, pearl white finishes, and shimmering rose gold accents. Through monumental, curved glass walls, the interior appears as an endless expanse, a living sculpture where elegance and innovation meet. Every surface is crafted to perfection. Marble floors patterned like works of world-class art. Ceilings crowned with crystal chandeliers that scatter daylight like stardust, and textures so refined they seem alive under the shifting glow of natural light. This isn't just a mansion, it's a new way to experience space. Instead of being divided into rooms, this vision is an uninterrupted masterpiece, a palace of comfort and style where every feature blends into one. The architecture is alive with transparency and movement, from glowing aquarium panels alive with shimmering colors to pearl columns shaped like living art. Afternoon sunbeams wash across every surface, touching rose gold edges, deep pink accents, and velvety furnishings arranged to feel both intimate and grand. The design style transcends trends, modern, regal, futuristic, and timeless all at once. Inside this hall, beauty is everywhere and nowhere at once, not confined to corners, but flowing freely. A perfect balance of dreamlike imagination and flawless craftsmanship. The air feels open, yet the details whisper quiet precision. Textures chosen with artistic discipline, lighting designed to highlight form without overpowering, and a color palette that glows warmly like the horizon at sunset. This is not just a house to live in. It's an environment to experience, an immersive work of art where you feel prestige, comfort, and serenity in every step. Such a creation is measured not in square feet, but in vision. It carries a value far beyond its walls, priced not as property, but as a signature statement. A collector's piece of architecture that represents ambition and mastery. Every line, every reflection, every piece of furniture serves as proof that design can reach heights most only dream about. From its immaculate entrance approach to its soaring transparent facade, you realize instantly, this is not luxury for display, but luxury is lifestyle. Whether you are here for inspiration or to glimpse what's possible when imagination meets unlimited craft, NextGen Mansions invites you to see the future of elite living, a future where beauty is limitless and every home becomes a world-class landmark. In this singular space, there are no transitions, no hard edges, just an uninterrupted experience of wealth, elegance, and imagination. The mansion is alive with detail, designed not to be seen in fragments, but to be felt as one continuous vision. Afternoon light streams through its towering glass walls, illuminating surfaces of pink marble veined with soft white, while pearl flooring glows like liquid beneath your feet. Everywhere you look, there is movement, reflections sliding across metallic trims, shimmering aquarium panels pulsing with life, chandeliers sparkling as though they float in midair. It is more than architecture. It is theater for the senses, a place where every element collaborates to tell one story of modern royalty. Step through its immense entrance, and you are not simply entering a house. You are stepping into a sculpted atmosphere, a hall so vast and carefully composed that it feels limitless. Furniture is arranged like artwork, perfectly balanced yet never stiff, creating a fluid rhythm from one area to another. The design never shouts. It speaks softly with confidence, using texture, proportion, and light to express power without excess. Plush surfaces absorb the soft glow of the afternoon, rose gold frames trace the air with subtle brilliance, and panoramic aquarium walls turn living sea creatures into moving art pieces. The entire hall feels alive, yet serene, as if the house breathes with you. NextGen Mansions does not simply showcase homes. It presents visions of what living could be at its very peak. This creation is not just a place to reside, it's a signature of ambition, an emblem of a lifestyle that refuses compromise. The price of such mastery goes beyond numbers, because you are not purchasing walls and ceilings. You are investing in an atmosphere that
defines statue a monument to taste and a personal landmark unlike any other. Imagine hosting guests in space where no one can tell where one room ends and another begins, where dining, relaxation, entertainment, and artful together in one seamless continuum. The design language is universal, a bold harmony, a modern minimalism, and opulent craft, the kind of timeless balance that never feels dated. This vision of living is just the beginning. At NextGen Mansion, we reveal not only homes but lifestyles designed without time limits, crafted for those who believe beauty should surround them every hour of every day. If this world seamless, luxury, and breathtaking design inspire you, make sure you subscribe and join our journey through the most extraordinary residence ever imagined. Every video brings a new masterpiece, showing how creativity, architecture, and innovation come together to shape the future of living. By subscribing, you will not just by watching, you will become part of community that dreams bigger, reach higher, and appreciate the artistry behind the world-class design. Turn on notification, stay connected, and never miss the next creation that will change the way you think about home. Your next vision of perfection is only one episode away, and it starts right here with NextGen Mansion. At the end, must suggest me which masterpiece impressed you a lot. Okay, thank you. God bless you.